Welcome to Trek Motion. Today, I will be sharing with you all the necessary directions to reach Berlin Airport from Berlin City Center. Getting to Berlin Airport is essential if you plan to travel to or from Berlin. It takes about 45 minutes to go to the airport from Berlin City Center depending on traffic. There are various modes of transportation available, including public transportation, taxis, and private cars. Public transportation options include 1. Berlin's S-Bahn and U-Bahn system. These are the city's subway trains that can help you get to the airport. You can take the S-Bahn from any of the city's stations, such as Checkpoint Charlie or Brandenburg Gate, and get off at either Holzminden or Berlin-Brandenburg Airport. This will take you to the arrivals and departure terminals. 2. Airport Bus. The airport bus service, known as Airport Express, operates between the city center and the airport. The bus leaves from several locations, including Hauptbahnhof, Berlin Wall, and Berlin-Brandenburg Airport. This is the quickest and most convenient option, especially if you are traveling in a group. Taxis are the most popular and reliable mode of transportation to and from Berlin Airport. You can either book a private car or take a taxi rank near the airport. The cost of a taxi ride to the airport is fixed and can be easily negotiated before reaching the taxi rank. Finally, if you are traveling with luggage and prefer to rent a car, you can easily find rental car agencies near the airport. Some of the major car rental companies include Hertz, Sixt, and Budget. In conclusion, getting to Berlin Airport from Berlin City Center is easy and convenient. Use one of the public transportation options, take a taxi, or rent a car, whatever you choose. We hope this information will help you plan your trip to Berlin and make your journey stress-free. Give it a thumbs up, share, and subscribe if you found this information helpful.